Last year, Hackster ran a Mestastic challenge as part of the Smart Citizen initiative, supported by Fab Lab Barcelona, Seed Studio, Sensorion, and University of Glasgow. There were three tracks, and I chose to work on integrating the Sensorion's Sense 6X sensor with Mestastic by building a driver. For this, they sent me the sensor, while Seed Studio provided the Xiao ESP32S3, the Vio SX1262 LoRa kit, and an expansion board with an OLED. It gave me everything to get started with. Now, my original idea went a bit beyond the challenge. I wanted to build an AQI heat map for runners, something that could show cleaner routes in real time. Why? Because I used to live in Delhi where air pollution is a serious problem. So this felt personal. For the challenge, I focused on the driver and I completed that commitment. Now, I also built a 3D printed enclosure and even added a GPS module to eventually map the data. But after the challenge ended, the project just sat there, gathering dust. Ironic. Now, this spring clean competition gave me the reason and the motivation to finally finish it. So, kept things simple: read air quality data, store it locally, and send whenever network is available. Since I had only one LoRa node, I just stored it in spiffs, and whenever Wi Fi is available, it pushes the data to the server using MQTT. The reason why I used MQTT is in case if I'm using my phone as a hotspot to sync in real time, it would be much lightweight. On the back end, I used a Django server to receive, store, and display the data. Now, this Django server is part of my personal sort of finance tracking system, so it's an additional module to that server. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be showing the code for that. Now, what you're going to see right now is the real-time data collection while I was driving the car. Don't worry, my phone was on a stand. I was not touching the phone at all. I rolled down the windows to capture the ambient air. It's not perfect, but it works. And more importantly, it is finally alive. Take a look.